Amazon must-have products for your apartment. Hey friends, it's Elizabeth with the beautiful Amaze Apartment Homes in Charlotte, North Carolina. And on today's episode, we're gonna talk about Amazon must-have, my favorite Amazon products for my apartment. We've done an updated version on what you need to have in your apartment. So starting off with the first one, we're going to talk about vacuum cleaners. I ended up getting the Irobot i7 Plus, and all of these, by the way, I will list all of the Amazon must-have favorite products down in the description link below, the affiliate links. I got the i7 Plus on Cyber Monday, one of the best purchases, but the 7 Plus has a docking station, which is amazing if you have dogs and cats to help suck up all of the debris where you don't have to continuously dump your vacuum cleaner. But the price point comes around the $550 mark. That's what I got on sale. I have seen it go as high as $799 to $900 for some of the Plus models. So if that's out of your price range for an Amazon must-have product, there is a solution which is the Roomba E5. That one does not have a docking station, but still is incredibly powerful with suction and continues to be able to clean my apartment really well. You can use either, but I do love the docking station for the sheer fact that I don't have to charge the device, the vacuum, and I also don't have to dump it when it gets filled with animal hair or just in general. Number two that we're going to talk about is an Aerogarden. I have been obsessed with hydroponic gardens, particularly the Aerogarden, because literally as you grow your own tomatoes, jalapenos, you can make your own salsa, lettuce, herbs, mint, thyme, basil. I mean, literally you can grow it all. This one is the Harvest, the Aerogarden Harvest. It has 6 different holes to put the plants in, but you can get more, like up to 9, 12, 24, they call it the salad bar, with your Aerogarden. Literally it's these type of pods you can put on there, and then it's literally from plant to plate. I can be in control of having my own food source coming off of here with lettuce, tomatoes, things like that I'm in control of growing. It takes, with the germination, 7 to 14 days for germination, and then 4 to 6 weeks for harvest. And then after that, it can, for some of them, can harvest up to 6 months. So feasibly in the fall, I can still be getting harvest from my Aerogarden pieces, which, hello, it's one of my favorite Amazon, it's an Amazon favorite and an Amazon must-have particularly. The next thing that we do have is in terms of skincare. I have been obsessed with PMD skincare. They do have their smart facial cleansing devices. That is jade on one side, and on this side it is silicone bristles. Literally anti-aging for pulses 3 and 4, and then the first 2 vibrations are for cleansing, so literally to help get rid of blackheads, exfoliation, things like that. It does have an active warmth activator on this too, but my other thing, in addition to the PMD smart facial cleansing device, which by the way, they do have other gemstones, so this is jade, but they do have rose quartz, and they also have a silicone one if you want to save some money. Well worth the price tag though. It is a luxury product. They have their Dermabrasion Set. Oh my gosh, you can do your body on there, you can do your face, blackheads. There's different discs if you want to get a little bit more aggressive or less aggressive with your microdermabrasion. One of my favorite purchases recently for Amazon must-haves, and also has very much helped my skin, which I love. Okay, my next Amazon must-have, an Amazon favorite for my apartment, is meal planning. Your Abundant Meal Planner and Grocery List. It's literally my weekly grocery shopping list, and then what am I going to eat each week. In terms of planning, it's helped me save a ton of money, but also stay really organized. And piggybacking off of that, Your Abundant 2021 Planner. I'm a big planner. Anyone else a planner? I love to plan. I have daily, monthly, weekly, quarterly goals. It's a 90-day sprint in there if you were looking to have a little bit more organization. And for me, with my apartment living, of course I am. By the way, if you do want to get a virtual tour or home tour with Amaze Apartment Homes in Charlotte, North Carolina and the Noda district, check out down below. Okay, so going back off of my meal planning, of course, I do use a Lodge skillet. Highly recommend. This is a bigger sized one, obviously, but they do have smaller sized ones too. I love cooking with my Lodge skillet in my meal planning because I can use it in the stove or on top of the stove. It's really, really versatile, which is helpful. Okay, the next Amazon must-have favorite product for my Amaze Apartment home in Charlotte, North Carolina is my Irobot Brava Jet. It's the 240. It's this one. Literally, I got it from Amazon Warehouse, which if you don't know, Amazon Warehouse does, basically, it's if people purchase something and then they return it, it's used, even though it wasn't used. Someone got it, they returned it. That's where I got this. It was supposed to be $179 for the Irobot Mop. Literally, a robot is mopping my floors. But I got mine for $129. because it was, quote, considered used. I absolutely am obsessed with it. It's made it very easy to mop my kitchen and my bathrooms where the robot can do it, and I don't have to do it. So I do highly recommend the Irobot, the 240, but you could get the M6 Brava Jet. That one's a little bit more heavy duty. That one's $399. This one's $179. I got the less expensive model, but there's several different choices for a robot to literally mop your floors and vacuum your floors, so you don't have to. Speaking of cleaning your apartment, Lysol wipes are back in stock on Amazon. Go ahead and check those out too. They have continued to go in and out of stock, so that is one that I would recommend. The next Amazon must-have and favorite product for my apartment is getting my makeup off with PMD's Silver Pure. We do have down below in our affiliate links these as well. It feels, obviously, it looks like a washcloth, but it's not just that. It's soft like a teddy bear, but with the silver infusion, literally you can pick up your makeup. It comes off really easily. You just put water. And the reason why I've loved the Silver Pure infused PMD cloths is because I realized I was throwing away 60 cloths every single month. And like using two, I'm not going to say the brand, but 2 makeup remover cloths, that's a lot to go in the landfill. So reusing this over and over, I have 3 of them. It literally has been really simple to get my makeup off, but also keeping my skin not, throwing away a ton of stuff in the landfill. Okay, the next thing is coffee, because I talk quickly, because I love coffee, is having a two-way brewer. This is by Sobly. It works with ground coffee or K-Cups. Literally, you can do 2 different ways of making coffee in the coffee maker as well. But this is another one of my favorite Amazon purchases and makes it super simple for Amazon. The next Amazon really popular product that has been super, super helpful is an air purifier. Now I have the Rovax one. It's literally $69, and right now there's a $10 off coupon, but they do have bigger ones. This one is for a 200 square foot space. So make sure you're getting the right space depending on the air purifier. But that's what the actual air purifier looks like. If you were looking to get one, they've been trending right now, and a lot of them continue to go in and out of stock. But this one is a great one. I've enjoyed it, and it is listed down below. Those are our favorite must-have products for this period. If you found anything you like, do make sure you go ahead and check those out down below. And also, if you'd like a virtual tour or to come over and see Amaze apartment homes in the beautiful Noda district in Charlotte, North Carolina, I will link that down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and do make sure you click subscribe so you can see best of apartment living here on Amaze apartment homes in Charlotte. I'm Elizabeth. I look forward to seeing you next time, and for more Amazon must-have and Amazon favorite products. Bye, friends.